All of us know since the elementary schooling that the governments are elected to serve their people. By those standards, we can also say that the government is the service provider to the people, committed to provide best of its policies, programs and forward-looking idea incubations for the welfare of its population. If there is one state in India where the government has taken the concept of service to the people to its heart, that is the state of Andhra Pradesh, with best of the services to the maximum of its people. The shining example of this are Raitu Bharosa Kendras, flagship program of the government of Andhra Pradesh, brainchild of the dynamic young Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Andhra Pradesh is one state where the culture of digital agriculture is already in action with RBKs. Don't believe this? Let me take you on a tour of a day in the life of an empowered Andhra Pradesh farmer. A day heralded by 10,778 RBK centers across the state today, and still counting. Raitu Bharosa Kendra is one-stop center for all the needs of the farmers at village level. Internet services reach the most interior of the villages, and the farmers can access almost everything they need with the click of a button on the most modern digital kiosk. Guided by their government, the farmers of Andhra Pradesh are walking hand in hand towards a sun-lit future. The four verticals of RBKs are supply of quality inputs. Agri-input shop in RBKs make sure that the farmers of Andhra Pradesh get what they need and demand. A digital kiosk is made available in each RBK. The farmer places an order for inputs in the kiosk machine at RBK in their villages. Order is mapped at the godown and dispatch process is initiated. Farmer receives it quite comfortably at his convenient location. Present RBKs are in existing government and private buildings, but now government is constructing 10,408 RBK buildings with project outlay of rupees 2,269 crores with NREGS convergence. Technology advancements that employ farmers and make life easy for them. Delivery services of RBK, reliable and responsible services to make life easy and efficient for the farmers. Raitu Bharosa, e-crop booking, input subsidy, crop insurance, subsidy seed distribution, community hiring centers, soil and seed testing, immunization of veterinary care, bank correspondent services, capacity building and knowledge dissemination. RBK is a holistic training center where agriculture and allied sector experts provide latest and low-cost technologies to farmers. An integrated call center 155251. 8 scientists and 64 subject experts are positioned to attend farmer calls and to offer solutions. A digital studio is established in Gannavaram to facilitate farmers, scientists' interaction through RBK channel and share latest developments and advisories where more than 148,000 follow it through smart TVs. The Raitu Bharosa Radham has been introduced with the intention to provide timely information to the farmers on smarter techniques and practices through a digital medium using mobile vehicles that will travel to RBKs. Procurement operations. What more a farmer wants if the government stands guarantor to his best interests? RBKs are declared as procurement centers after the harvest by government to protect the farmers from middlemen to ensure that they get the best price for their produce and timely too. RBKs are equipped with required infrastructure for carrying procurement operations. RBKs submit to the social audits and the system is developed amongst the stakeholders and consumers in the manner that underlines transparency and promotes an open culture of trust. Andhra Pradesh is the blessed land of fertile dreams, And RBKs are game changers, transforming the lives and lifestyles of the farmers. At RBK, mission is to bring all the technological prowess of the state to the benefit of the farmer and bring ease, efficiency and excellence into their lives with the efforts of the government at their service.
This is what we aim. This is what we shall achieve. RBKs at the service of the state of Andhra Pradesh.